Understanding lease provisions. Key elements explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of real estate and legal terminology to understand the phrase, lease provision. Whether you're a tenant, a landlord, or just curious about this term, this video will clear up all your doubts. Let's get started. Before diving into lease provisions, it's crucial to understand what a lease is. A lease is a legal contract between two parties, typically the landlord, the owner of the property, and the tenant, the person renting the property. This contract outlines the terms and conditions of the rental agreement, including duration, rent, and the responsibilities of both parties. A lease provision is a specific clause or condition within a lease agreement. These provisions cover a wide range of topics and are designed to protect the rights and outline the obligations of both the landlord and tenant. Let's explore some common lease provisions. 2.1 Rent and payment terms. This provision specifies the rent amount, payment schedule, and late payment penalties. 2.2 Maintenance and repairs. It outlines who is responsible for maintaining and repairing the property. 2.3 Use of property. This defines what the property can and cannot be used for, such as residential or commercial use. 2.4 Security deposit. Details about the security deposit, including the amount and the conditions for its return. 2.5 Termination and renewal. This clause explains how the lease can be terminated or renewed, including any notice periods. Understanding lease provisions is crucial for both landlords and tenants. It helps to avoid misunderstandings and disputes, ensure compliance with the terms of the lease, protect your rights and interests as a tenant or landlord. Always read the entire lease carefully before signing. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek clarification on any provision. Consider consulting a legal professional if you're unsure about any terms. I hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate the complexities of lease provisions with confidence. Remember, understanding your lease is key to a successful and stress-free rental experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.